My name is Schoeps da Silva. I work for Voith Paper and I'm a global product manager for tissue products. The topic today was present some ideas on how to improve the customer profitability with modular upgrades and easy to implement solutions in the tissue line, so specifically on the tissue machine. So basically address three areas: the forming fabric cleaning, the felt lubrication, and the turn-up procedure. We present our solution clean line, so and show how customers are now suffering with the high cost of fibers and trying to find solutions to replace these expensive fibers. So, for example, use recycled fibers, and here in South America also mechanical pulp, and this creates contamination on the forming fabric, so that cannot be removed by conventional conditioning systems. So we brought a solution, call it Clean Line XL, that is designed to clean these fabrics on a more intensive and more effective way. Felt lubrication is normally very critical in tissue. Why? Because we have a very high speed in tissue and a very low basis weight paper. So every problem with lubrication is directly seen in the moisture profile and problems with creating problems with dry and even higher fiber consumption. So with Film Lube, our solution, we replace the showers that are normally blocked. We replace the shower to transport or overload box that creates a film of lubrication between the felt and the Yule box, preventing all these issues that we usually see with the showers. We see on this rebuild market, on these machines which are running some manual systems like edge glue application that are very inefficient, that depend a lot on the operational skill. On the other hand, the efficiency is poor and the time to complete the turn-up is also long. So we brought a very simple solution, that we developed in the next months, call it Speed Change, where we have already some references in Europe and North America, where we do the turn-up on a simple and automatic way in a very efficient, way. So we reduce the turn-up time from 25 seconds to 3 seconds, and to 3 seconds, already achieving a very fast return of investment for our customers. We live in a very competitive market where the price it's right now the same as it was last year and the year before, so no changes in price. Where the markets are leading the price, all the private labels coming very strong to this market, and on the other hand, we have a very high increase on the cost of the fibers and energy. So this profitability of our customers are decreasing and decreasing, and we need to help them to increase that. So I see a very competitive market, not only for suppliers but also for our customers. And of course, tissue is growing. Tissue is it's strategic for all the suppliers here at Tissue World, and we think we can address very well this market.